Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable dark mode on Guarda Wallet application. When you open up the Guarda Wallet app, you will see this default white background on the screen. In order to change that to something dark, simply go ahead and tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of the main homepage. Now, from the settings interface, scroll down until you see the night mode option. To toggle on the dark mode, tap on the toggle right next to night mode, and there you have successfully enabled dark mode on Guarda Wallet application. Pretty easy, isn't it? So, that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.